Good afternoon, 6th class children. Today, science activity is magnetic induction. Definition first. The process by which an object or material is magnetized by an external magnetic field. Okay, next. You see a diagram. What is this? This is bar magnet. This is safety pin. That is all pin. Okay. This is bar magnet. This is safety pin. This is all pin. What do you observe? Okay, touch the magnet without touch. Okay, next I will start the activity. Magnetic induction activity. Take a safety pin and bring it close to an all pin. Does it attract the all pin? No. Why? Bring the safety pin close to one pole of a bar magnet and see how it gets attached to the magnet. Now bring an albane and touch it to the safety pin. Get as shown in the figure 1. You see, touch it to the bar magnet. Does the safety pin attract the albane? Why? In the above two cases, we notice that the safety pin acts as a magnet when it is in contact with another magnet. What is magnetic property? Magnetic property is induced in the safety pin due to the bar magnet. Magnetic property possessed by a magnetic substance due to the presence of a magnet near it is called magnetic induction. If the safety pin is not in contact with the bar magnet, can it attract the albane? What happens if we place the bar magnet very close to the safety pin but not touching it? Let us find out. Okay, take a bar magnet in one hand and safety pin in the other hand. Bar magnet in one hand, safety pin in the other hand. Hold them in such a way that they are close to each other but not in contact is shown in figure 2. Figure 2. Don't contact but not in contact as shown figure 2. Ask your friend to bring an albane and touch the safety pin. No, you will notice that the albane will stick to the safety pin. Okay, this shows that due to magnetic induction, safety pin acts as magnet. This shows that due to magnetic induction, safety pin acts as magnet. Again you will see figure 1, bar magnet, safety pin and all pin. Okay, attract bar magnet and safety pin and all pin. You see, safety pin is also a magnet. Then result, all pin is attached to safety pin. You see this figure, don't contact bar magnet and safety pin. You see, these are to attract in scene. This here, safety pin is also a magnet. Okay. This shows that due to magnetic induction, safety pin acts as magnet.